What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's quickly talk about Shiba Inu and how much like negative news is going out about it because of the fact that the markets were down. And when you have the markets down, the coins that are on top or the tokens that are on top at the moment or the most popular are going to be attacked in a big way. Any type of decrease that they have. And we're seeing some crazy articles here. And I wanted to point out one and talk about, the fact that this is not going to happen. And a lot of people have mentioned this to me. A lot of people have come up and said, hey, what's the deal with this and why are they making that connection? So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you check out some of the links down below if you guys want to join the Shiba Inu Discord group. We have a full Shiba Inu Discord group that we talk about SHIB in a big way as much as we possibly can, and really support SHIB as much as we possibly can. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into this really quick. So Shiba Inu is currently actually up today. It's up about 18% over the last 24 hours. You're going to see that it's at a price of 0.00001300. Now, I recently bought in more at some of these lower prices because I felt like it was an opportunity that I can't pass up. I did only want to hold 200 million unless it found a way to gain that other zero and continue to drop a little bit more so that I can get $1 billion for a very cheap price. If I could get $1 billion for $5,000, I would definitely take that. So it would have to drop to 0.000005. It ended up dropping to 0.000009, and it was about $9,000, $10,000 to get another billion, right? So it would have costed me a little bit more than what I was hoping for. So I just decided to buy another 100 million. So I currently hold 353 million that's staked in crypto.com. I always do that. I confuse the two for some reason. Crypto.com at 3%. So I'm gaining quite a bit on that 353 million that I have over there. So currently, again, you're seeing it up 18% over the last day. You see the volume is down slightly, about 3%, but it is at 1.4 billion, which is definitely on the higher side. We haven't really seen too many burns. I do want to check the burn portal. If we have time to check it, we can go through and look into Twitter and really check the burn portal after all of this. But if we scroll down here, we're going to look at the market cap. The market cap has risen from that $6 billion mark to the $7 billion mark. If we look at how the chart is moving over the last 7 days, we've seen things drop quite a bit because the entire market was down for the last 7 days, including some things like Terra and which dropped a hell of a lot, and some other stable coins as well. We've seen this drop quite a bit all the way down to this low point to where it did gain a zero. And I had to admit that I was wrong. It did gain a zero. And, I was happy to be able to buy more at some of these lows. So looking at all of this and how it has dropped over the last 7 days, people are making that connection to something that they really shouldn't make a connection to. They're making a connection to Terra and saying that Shiba Inu will be the next Terra if we don't see whales stop selling, or we don't see, people getting out of this position, or we don't stop seeing people get out of this position. It's kind of sad that, they always have to tie, something that's crashing so much in something with something that they don't really believe in. Nobody in the media actually believes in Shiba Inu as being a viable cryptocurrency or a viable form of currency, or a viable investment, right? But we do. We understand what it's all about. We understand the different pieces that are included with it, whether we're looking at, Shibarium, hopefully it does tie back to SHIB. We're looking at, NFTs that could be created, Wellies as a business that ties back to SHIB, the burn methods, the burn portal, the burn tokens, all of these different pieces that find a way to tie back to SHIB create a lot more value for this position in the future. So it is a long-term position. So we obviously see that value. But before we get into this, let's go ahead and check and see how much has been burned, because I did want to go through that. So we're going to go over to Twitter really quick and just type in SHIB and just bring up maybe SHIB.io. I don't really know how to actually get there. Maybe SHIB token. We go over to SHIBtoken.com and we can go to Shiba Swap. And when we go to Shiba Swap, we're going to be able to click on burn portal. It's so many different steps. They need to just have like a regular thing. I should probably already have it up, but I didn't think about checking it today. So let's go into the burn portal and let's see how much has been burned off within the burn portal as of today. So we're looking at 27.7 billion that has been burned off. We haven't really seen too much of an increase. I've only burned off 4.8 million. We do have a burn that's coming up on the 22nd, which we will schedule for. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely something that we've seen a lot go through, and now we're starting to see it, you know, kind of fall off a little bit. So we definitely need to find other ways to burn Shiba Inu, and hopefully it comes with them burning it through utility. So I just wanted to call that out and say that, you know, we have burned 27.7 billion coins or billion tokens. Now, I wanted to take you through this article, or just show you even the title. So Shiba Inu to become the next Terra Luna if whales doesn't stop selling. And they go on to talk about the percentage loss and how Terra Luna has dropped 98% in the last 24 hours, and Shiba Inu is down 25% in the last 24 hours. And this was written on May 12th, so yesterday. And really, it just goes to show that they really want to tear a lot of these coins down that they believe don't have value, right? We know that Shiba Inu has a ton of fundamental value, and what they're building, hopefully what they're building, everything that they're building can tie back to Shiba Inu and have a form of utility. From what we understand, there will be a use case for utility, or a use case for Shiba Inu in the metaverse, and being able to use that in multiple areas could create a lot of value for SHIB. Also, being able to buy SHIB at different venues and different stores and different businesses is a use case. I don't consider it the best use case possible, because you're basically spending an investment to buy something that depreciates in value, but you are increasing the utilization or the utility of this coin, or of this token. So I don't think that this should be tied together, tying Terra Luna dropping 99% to Shiba Inu dropping as much. That can't be done, and it will not be the next Terra Luna. That's not something that's going to happen. Shiba Inu is a very strong token by itself, and it's a decentralized token, something that can't be impacted by all of these. I mean, the supply can be impacted, but you can't really change it. You can't really do anything to the actual contract there, or the detail behind the scenes when it comes to the token. So anyways, I wanted to call that out, because it's definitely something that I don't want out there. And when people say FUD, this is a form of spreading real FUD, right? Fear. You're trying to create that fear in Shiba Inu, so it creates a lower price, maybe for them to get in, or maybe just to crash the overall position as a whole, right? So we don't know, but they're trying to create fear, even though they know for sure that it's not going to be the next Terra Luna. And how that has dropped, right? There's no type of news that you could have here that could tell you that this is going to drop 99% in value. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. If you want to join the Discord group, feel free to join the Discord group. Let me actually go back here to show you guys what the Discord group is. We have a bunch of people. We have 1,610 people that are involved in here, and people love it. People love to communicate with either me or with other people in the group. I'm not always there, but it's always great to have a bunch of communication between members, and it's just fantastic. So definitely join that Discord group. It's the first link in the description. But guys, I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you guys hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.